Getting to the beaches and attractions in Banda Bou will require passing a few treasures along the road. Hi, I'm Shavia. Exploring Curaçao and the world is my passion. So dive in with me as I show you around. Banda Bou roads are long and can be quite uneventful. That is, if you do not know about the little treasures along the way. All of the places mentioned here are completely free to enjoy. They might not be big enough to be considered an attraction, but they are worth taking a look. Right after passing Daniel, a small yellow house can be seen on the side of the road. It might make you think of a yellow version of the tiny house. Well, it's not. This tiny house is called Capilla de Ohochi. It was built by a couple with the last name Engels as a burial place. While painting inside, something miraculous happened, which is why it is considered a special place of prayer. At the end, the Engels couple never got to be buried there. Taking a left after the Capilla de Ohochi will take you to this treasure. Yangkok Salt Flats is a place with a splendid view and drop-dead gorgeous flamingos. Step on the platform and enjoy it to the fullest. Getting closer than 100 meters to the flamingos is a huge no-no. It will scare them away and ruin the view for the next visitor. Drive just a bit further on the same road to see the Williwood sign. If Kool and the gang were in Curaçao, they would be singing Williwood, Williwood swinging. You are now in Willibrordus, which is nicknamed Williwood. Look at the sign from afar or get closer for a picture. I will leave that up to you. If you want to explore a bit more, the next left will lead to St. Willibrordus Catholic Church. Not so unique from the outside, but inside is another story. This church has its founder buried inside. Quite a unique way to honor him, I would say. You can respectfully check out the inside if it is open. Emphasis on respectfully. You might be thinking of another Banda Bou treasure right now. If that's the case, share it in the comment section. You never know, Banda Bou Treasure Part 2 might be coming to you soon. If you haven't yet, click the subscribe button. I believe it's in your own best interest. It's about 9 o'clock here at the Yangkok Salt Flats, and it seems like all the birds are